I'm up under the front of the car. I'm going to remove the two refrigerant lines from the coil. Then we'll drain some of the antifreeze out. I guess I'll need to remove this shroud. These nuts down through here. These brackets will likely come off. So let's get started under here. Okay, I've removed the horn off of this bolt here, nut here holding this brace on, and same thing on the other side of the car. And that should have the radiator loose, so we'll probably have to loosen this and get this out of the way, drop it down, and then the radiator should come out with the fan. So I've loosened the top radiator bracket bolt up here at the very top on both sides. So we're moving a little bit. I got the radiator out, but I had to take the fan shroud off while it was still underneath the car, and then the fan shroud actually came out first. There was three little nuts holding it, and I was able to kind of turn it and slide it down to get it out. But I was able to slide it down between, come out in this direction. I had to remove this, and then the radiator and coil came out. Once the radiator and coil was on the ground, I was able to remove the two air conditioning lines from the condenser. I did have to remove these brackets up here off the radiator. Now I'm working on replacing the hoses. As you can see, I got new silicone hoses. Some of my pipes are pitted, so I'm gonna have to order new pipes. Now I've just disconnected the pipe right underneath the car and draining the coolant from it. And I'm going to remove the panel underneath the gas tank so I can look at the hoses and the pipes and get to everything clearly. I have the rubber pieces removed from the two pipes in the middle of the car. Removed the pan holding the gas tank in, and like normally it's rusted out. There's the bottom of the gas tank. I'll need to clean up a little bit. But the pipe seems to be in good condition right here. No pits or anything. So got the silicone hose. Gonna try to put that on here. As you can see, I got plenty of hose compared to where the gap is. So I'll put those on, and then we'll move to the rear. In order to get to the air conditioning lines, there's one line there. I have to take these plates off. So we got 3 nuts, 10 millimeter. So remove that, and then these 2 little shielding plates come off from underneath, and that exposes the heater lines to where you can get the clamps on and off the heater pipes, and the AC lines can come out. Now that I've exposed the AC lines and the way they route in various places, there's going to be these cable ties that are holding it down, so we'll have to cut all of those where it's all being routed up on the engine compartment. Any tie wrap, cable tie that's holding it in place, cut those, then we'll be able to pull these out. Should make note of places where there is one in case we need to put some back on. So, see the AC line up underneath. On the driver's side, there are a couple of cable ties holding it up around the brake lines. So we got to cut those loose. Looks like there's a couple of foam pads in there to prevent wear. So we'll cut that loose, and then we should be able to pull this line out. Okay, I'm about to remove the rear fascia so I can get to the coolant hoses a little easier. So first I've removed the latch cable, removed it out this hole, got the latch assembly, got the latch laying to the side. Removed this cover, disconnected the black bulkhead, fed it back through. Here it is right here. I've disconnected both side marker lights and removed the bulbs from both side marker lights. Now I'm taking the bolts off the fascia, which hold it to the side fender, which is right underneath the lip here. There's one on each side. And then I will take the tail lights out. Tail lights out. Now I'm going to remove 2 nuts there and 2 nuts there that fasten in back here. So they're 13 millimeter. So socket and a wrench and remove those 4. Now the last pieces, remove these nuts here along the muffler heat shield. And once those are out, it should come off. And the fascia is off. So now that I've got the fascia off, I can easily get to these hoses. I pop this hose off. I've already cleaned up this with a screwdriver, got rid of the funk and some sandpaper. Now I'm going to disconnect this, that one back there, come around and get these 2, and then those back there, and check out the pipes, see if they're pitted and need to be replaced. Got all the hoses loose and all the pipes out. I've got them out. Some are pitted. I think I'm just going to have to order new pipes. But to get to the rest of the pipes, we got to take the water pump off.